drivers. Watch your cars. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, best class of race. Second, third, fourth, fifth. First, best class of race. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Current position. First, Greg Brooks, 3 laps, 1 minute, 47.771 seconds. Second, Stephen Broadley, 3 laps, 1 minute, 49.175 seconds. Third, Jason Summers, 3 laps, 1 minute, 49.87 seconds. Leading gap. First, second, 1.40 per second. Second, third, 0.65 seconds. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. First, second, third, drivers, race time left is 2 minutes. Drivers, the next race is two-wheel drive modified group final leg 3, race number 3. Transponder color for next race is blue. 4, 50. Leading gap, first, second, 2.008 seconds. Second, third, 2.69 seconds. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Current position. First, Greg Brooks, 6 laps, 3 minutes, 28.070 per second. Second, Stephen Broadley, 6 laps, 3 minutes, 29.498 seconds. Third, Jason Summers, 6 laps, 3 minutes, 33.011 seconds. Drivers, race time left is 1 minute. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Leading gap. First, second, 1.93 seconds. Second, third, 4.095 seconds. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Great Brooks. Finished. Stephen Broad. Finished.
Oh.
Jason Summer. Finished. Michael Russell. Finished. Scott Files. Finished. Gallon Patrick. Finished. Luke Holding. Finished. Hughes. Waiting. Finished. Shane Clark. Finished. All drivers finished. Thank you, Marshall. 2 minutes to the next.
Oh, look at that.
It's a remote thing,